Oh boy, guys. He is coming. Look at him. Hi, Giraffe.
Daddy, don't drive. He's coming.
Cool. Hi, buddy.
This could be bad.
It was pooping.
Oh my gosh. I wish I didn't have my car.
He is enormous, guys. Whoa. Give him some
Olivia, don't
food.
stick your fingers in anybody's
Ew,
mouth.
it's-
Feed him like this.
Oh gosh, I can.
Oh, no.
Hi. We're gonna feed him through the sunroof.
Yes.
Look at his tongue.
Oh, I dropped it down.
Oh
I
my
dropped it. Oh gosh, that's the zebra's
There's a zebra. I mean,
Come on. Let's get out
there's
of here.
a giraffe head in our sunroof that's slobbering.
Okay, I'm out of here.
Ew. Hi, buddy. Oh my God, Mike. He took my whole bag.
He took your bag. He took your bag.
It's spilling out. Oh my God. He took my whole bag and it ripped on top of the car.
He took your whole bag.
Yuck.
Oh no,